Kita.
All right. Okay. How are you guys?
Doing good actually.
Happy Diwali, by the way. Happy
Yeah.
Diwali.
Happy Diwali to you too and to everyone.
Yeah. Okay. So, you happen to do the first day's mirror work exercise?
Yes, and it was
Would you,
actually
I'm sorry to interrupt, but would you mind like coming on video? Because like presently it's like a screen and I'm talking to just screen looking at myself. So, will you be comfortable coming on screen?
yeah, that is completely fine. Just
Thank
give
you.
me a
Yeah.
minute.
So, yes, you were saying something.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what happened? I did try number of times. I was in office, and whenever I went to washroom, I did try number of times. And the funny thing was like it was really difficult. I thought it would be easy
Yeah.
because I really do this. Sometimes I do this thing, but it was really difficult, and especially those sentences, repeating those sentences was difficult. But I tried and tried, but there was certain change I felt that was like. Uh, we do say these things to different people, but when I was saying myself, I felt like, okay, who are you? Like, what is going on? Those things came into my mind, but then I felt a connection and a confidence, and that I was able to make an eye connect again. Actually, that's the real difference I started feeling.
That's
It's really nice.
it's very easy for us to say I love you to somebody else, but when it comes to us, it gets very difficult. Though it seems like the simplest thing to do because we have been doing like I love you to everybody, to our people, to our family, uh, to our pet, everybody. We're like I love you, I love you, I love you, and when it comes to us, yeah, it's different. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna share the screen.
Hmm.
Hi, Alifia. Happy Diwali.
Hi. Happy Diwali to all of you.
Happy Diwali, sweetheart. How are
Very
you?
happy, healthy, prosperous.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Same wishes for you too.
Yes, thank you.
All right. Did you happen to do the very first day exercise? Any sharing that you have?
No, I don't have any sharing, but yeah, I've been doing the mirror work for a long time, and I can just say that mirror work is so amazing. It makes you love yourself again and again and again, and it's a process. So mirror work, I should say that it's a process. It's not only 21-day journey. It's a process, continuous process.
Yes, yes. By the way, Ritamra and Pallavi, Alifia is somebody who has been a practitioner of mirror work from a long, long, long time. Yep.
Okay.
But
No,
still
no, not
see her
very long.
dedication.
Only been 4 months.
No, but 4 months is a good some time. Come on, but still see her dedication, I'll say, or a commitment that she still joined like, a newbie. So I really appreciate you, Alifia, for that.
I appreciate you taking this session. Thank you.
Okay. All right. So anybody would be interested in reading it? Like Ritambra, Alifia, if any of you would be interested in reading it?
Yeah, I can do that.
Yeah, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. So, okay. Uh, Today you begin to practice basic mirror work exercises,
No, 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 no,
learning.
sweetheart, sweetheart. Let's take it
Mhm.
from the top. Making
Oh,
your
okay.
mirror your friend. Yeah?
Yes. Okay, right.
Yeah.
So making your mirror your friend.
Hmm.
Today you begin to practice basic mirror work exercises, learning to look closely at yourself and believe and beyond your old beliefs.
So, yes,
So,
take a pause here. So, now, yesterday, what we did, like in the very first session, we introduced ourselves to this whole concept of mirror work. that how are we going to introduce mirror work in our day-to-day life. And now, because we have already passed that one day and somehow we are accustomed, like we know now that what we have to do. So today what we are going to do is we are going to make mirror as our best friend, just the way, like we are introduced whenever we go to college or school, we have to have a very first day, and then we are like, okay, fine, like these are the people around. You get accustomed, and then you pick up one, and then you know that, okay, fine, this person has to be my friend. So in the same way now, the mirror is going to be our friend. And how this friend is going to help us is it's going to make us unlearn so many things, and then we are going to learn so many things. We are going to kill our old belief that we have been keeping in us from a long, long time, and voila, we'll win over it. All right. So, Ritambra, will you be there further to read?
Yes, I can
Yeah,
do that.
go ahead.
Right. It is only the second day of mirror work, and you are just beginning to learn to love and adore yourself. Hang in there. Each day that you practice this new way of thinking about yourself and about life will help erase the old negative messages you have been carrying for so long. Soon you will be smiling more and finding it easier to look into in the mirror. Soon the affirmations will start to feel free.
Feel true, feel true. Okay.
Feel true. Yep.
So now what it says that I understand that, again, if I'll take the same affirmations that you look at yourself and you say, oh my God, I love you. It's so easy for us to, like have our kid around and just look at him or her and say, oh my God, I just love you. But can you have the same feelings, same emotions, um, same truthfulness coming from your heart deep inside while you look at yourself, and can you be like, I love you, like I love you, like you remember that dialogue that Kareena Kapoor says, "मैं अपनी favorite हूँ," right? So in a dialogue it's very easy to say, but when it comes to actually applying on us, it becomes a little difficult. But yes, thanks to Louis Hay, we are going to do that, and that also beautifully. So even if it becomes difficult at any point of time, just hang in there, keep on repeating till that very point जहां ये चीज सच ना लगने लगे, and वो होएगा और बहुत जल्दी होएगा. All you have to do is trust in the process. That's all. Okay, let's go forward.
Okay.
Now I would like you to
Okay. Now I would like you to take out a pocket mirror or go to your bathroom mirror. Just relax and breathe. Look at yourself in the mirror. Then, using your name, say, I love you. I really, really love you. Let's say it again 2 more times. I love you. I really, really love you. I love you. I really, really love you.
see
Okay.
now. Right now itself, you are just reading it, right? But are
Yeah.
you like feeling comfortable reading it when it's just telling you that you have to look into the mirror and you have to say, I love you to you. Are you comfortable? You're feeling a little awkward, right?
Yeah.
We are not able to put in that feeling in it. But you know what? You have to keep repeating until and unless it doesn't sound like, for example, Ankita, I love you. I really, really love you. I love you. I really, really love you. All right. So तब तक हमें इस चीज को repeat करनी है खुद के लिए, because there is going to be a shift. There will be a shift. Again, I will say, just trust the process. Read forward.
All right. How does that feel? You can be honest and say that it feels strange or stupid, but it does feel strange and stupid at first, or maybe you find it hard to do so. It's
Hard
okay
to
to
do.
feel hard to do. Okay.
Okay.
It's okay to feel this way. Loving yourself unconditionally is something you haven't done before. Let yourself feel these feelings, whatever you are feeling, it's the beginning, a very good place to start.
All right. So yes, maybe it's our conditioning, or since the beginning, we never really took care of us in that very way that we should have, or any circumstance, anything. Now let's just say it can be anything, X, Y, Z, just because of whatever came in our life. We could never really connect with our inner self. And because of that, it became so awkward for us that it's so difficult that we cannot connect with us. So even if it feels awkward, even if it feels strange, which it will, but again, the same thing they are saying, just hang on and keep repeating until and unless you don't feel that it's true. So now what I'll do is I'll read a couple of stanzas and then I'll hand it over to you. All right. Thank you so much for reading till now. Okay. I know that telling yourself I love you is difficult for many of you. I also know that you cannot do it. And I'm very proud of you for hanging in. Mirror work will get easier, I promise. So that's what I was saying right now, that no matter what it is, just hang in there. Still, if you find it too hard to say I love you, you can start with something a little easier. Maybe try, I'm willing to learn to like you. I'm learning to love you. Now see how beautifully, she has made it easier for us. So when you go straight away, boom, I love you. It's like, it might feel a little heavier in the beginning to say, okay, fine, I love you. But if there is just a little shift wherein the affirmation has been changed so beautifully that I'm willing to, willing means that there is a want to love you, then I think, it will become a little easier for us to say. Why don't you just like repeat it, Ritamra? Try and repeat it, like maybe in mute only itself, it's okay. But just at least try it out. That take your name and say it.
Okay, I am trying it. Maybe I need to see, face myself in the mirror and try it.
But did it made, like, did you felt a little easier when you were saying I love you to yourself and when you said I'm willing to like you? Was there a difference? Were you more comfortable saying the second one?
Yes, the second one is comfortable actually.
Yeah, so this means that right now for you to begin with, start with this thing. I'm willing to learn to like you instead of going straight away with I love you. And then you will just see a shift in maybe a couple of days itself and you'll come to Ritamra, I love you. All right. Okay. So when you look in your mirror, I would like you to imagine that you are talking to a child in kindergarten. Picture yourself as the young kindergartner. Now, using your name, tell this inner child, I love you. I really, really love you. It's all like, the inner child healing, because, see, like you remember in the very first introduction section and even in the very first day I had mentioned it, that our eyes are the gate or the mirror to our soul. So when we see us in the mirror and we look into our eyes, we are actually able to tap into the innermost self of us, जो शायद कोई और नहीं जानता होगा, जिसको सिर्फ हम जानते हैं और हम पहचान सकते हैं. Yeah, like obviously there are things the people who are close to us, they get to know if they want to know, and that is also not surety. So yeah, when you look at yourself, and if you want to make it a little easier, go ahead and dig in the picture when you were really, really young, somewhere close to that age. Take out that picture and stick it अपने mirror के पास में, या maybe in a room जहाँ पे आप बैठ के practice करते हो उसको. If you do it in the washroom, use your mirror, washroom में stick कर दो, and don't think that it is something stupid. You're doing it for yourself, and you should applaud yourself for this thing, that you're doing something for yourself. All right. या कहीं रूम में करते हो वहां पे कर दो, या मे बी व्हाट आई डू इज लाइक आई हैव मेड अ डायरी को ओपन करके वहां पे मैंने अपनी पिक्चर लगा रखी है, एंड व्हेन आई प्रैक्टिस इट आई कीप द मिरर देयर, आई ओपन दैट डायरी बिकॉज आई एम एबल टू सी माई सेल्फ, and then I'm able to imagine myself like that, and then that's how I relate. Yeah, so I'm just like giving you a tip from my side that I use it for myself. All right, and that worked for me. The more you practice your mirror work, the easier it will get. But remember that it is going to take time. That's why I would like you to get into the habit of doing your mirror work frequently. So even once we are done with this 21 days, guys, this is not it. Please keep doing this thing. Like as Alifia mentioned it, that it's a process. You have to keep doing it. Once you will do it, you will see a different version of you. Second time you will do it, you will be amazed to see that how many things have shifted for good. All right. Okay, so do it when you first get up in the morning. Carry a pocket mirror wherever you go so you can take it out often and say a loving affirmation to yourself. So let's affirm. Put your hand on your heart and say to yourself, put your hand on your heart and say to yourself, I'm beautiful, I'm amazing, and I'm easy to love. I'm beautiful, I'm amazing, and I'm easy to love. And try and feel it. Yeah, okay. Going forward, your day 2 mirror work exercise. Stand in front of your bathroom mirror, look into your eyes. And again, I will mention it that if you're not comfortable looking into your eyes, look at the area of your mouth. All right. Using your name, say this affirmation. Take your name. I love you. I really, really love you. Take a few moments now to say it 2 or 3 more times. I really, really love you. Again, take your name and say, I really, really love you. Keep repeating this affirmation over and over. I want you to be able to say it at least 100 times a day. Yes, that's right. 100 times a day. I know that seems like a lot, but honestly, 100 times a day is easy once you get into the swing of it. So, once like if they're saying that 100 times a day, doesn't mean that you have to do it at a stretch. You don't have to do that. All you have to do is, are you like making notes out of it or something? Ritamra?
I just mentioned that thing, that I need to repeat. That is like a beautiful, amazing, and lovable thing, because this actually helps me so that I have the right
I will
words.
tell you, for this thing, I will tell you something. Right now, don't make any notes. Just don't. Just
Okay.
listen to me.
Okay.
On my YouTube channel, what I
Okay.
have done, I will be putting this recording there. This is first. So all you have to do is just play and listen to it. Secondly, what I have done, I have made audios day-wise. And I have made audio meditation day-wise. So just go there, play it, and you will listen the whole chapter. And if you want to listen the chapter with explanation, refer to this thing, okay? Don't make notes. Don't make. You will have everything with you. Just listen to me right now.
Okay. Okay.
That's very sweet of you to make notes. I must appreciate this thing. Okay, so when I say 100 times a day, it doesn't mean that you have to do it at a stretch. All you have to do is, whenever you are seeing your reflection anywhere, like I will give you a very personal example that I recently did. So I was, frying something. So oil tha usme, okay, jab wo garam ho raha tha. At that point of time, when I peeped into that, so I could see my reflection. And you know what? At that time also, I repeated that thing. That, you're beautiful. You are complete. Like whatever affirmation that I'm supposed to do, I just did that to myself. Like I'm whole, you are complete, you are light, you are abundance, whatever you have to do. So at any point of time, at anywhere, if you happen to see your reflection, go ahead and praise yourself. Repeat the affirmation. All right. And don't think that, someone can even say, my God, you're like too much. But believe me, you're just not too much. Okay. All right. When you find it difficult to tell yourself, I love you, it is most likely because you are judging yourself, repeating those old negative messages. Don't add to your discomfort by judging yourself for making judgments. Just relax and commit to saying this affirmation. Remember, you are committing to an affirmation that's true. And the truth is, we do love ourselves. when we are not judging ourselves. Yes, like for example, I give you a very common relatable example. You know, जब हम स्पेशली अपने लिए कुछ करने के लिए टाइम निकाल करके बैठते हैं, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल we have to go to salon. Very basic example. What we want to do there, a very basic thing, maybe a manicure or a pedicure, but we took time for us. Generally we get to hear is, यार अभी ये काम बचा था, खत्म कर देती तो बेटर हो जाता. Somewhere or the other. या अगर हमें अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जाना है, हाँ फ्रेंड्स के साथ तो you can go out, you can regularly go out, but ये नहीं पता अभी ये important काम करना था आपने. Something like that. I mean, it depends from family to family, people around, okay? Why it is made like that? Because हमें सुन के हमें एक टाइम के बाद ये guilty already feel होने लगता है that shit यार, if I am taking a little time off for myself, this means I am doing something wrong. But that is not what it is. Taking a little time for yourself, schedule it in this way. Like I'm not saying कि सुबह से लेकर के रात तक का जो पूरा time होता है, just do whatever you have to all the time for yourself. No. We are human, we are living in society, we have responsibility towards each and every section. Do it gracefully, beautifully, but out of the whole 24 hours, please dedicate a little time to yourself wherein you know that it is just you and you. And pamper yourself to the best in whichever way form, whichever way, reading books, dancing, doing nothing is also taking care of yourself. Yeah, like it's my time and what I love to do. I love to do nothing. That is also something. Okay.
So, Ankita, I just wanted to add one thing.
Yeah, please. Yeah.
So, a lot of people, and like earlier also, this used to be my thing that I would feel like if I'm doing that for myself, I'm being selfish.
Yeah.
And there would always be one dialogue that it's selfish to do this because I grew up listening to it. You're being selfish. You're being selfish.
Yeah.
So, like, you know, it takes a while, I think, to even come out of that this thing is selfish, or to understand that it's not selfish, but unless that you are feeling good and you're able to fill your cup, you cannot help people around you.
Agree. Totally, Pallavi. I totally second you on this thing. Thank you for adding in. Thank you so much. Okay, going forward, it's a good idea to have a tissue at hand when you are doing mirror work, because this work can be very evocative. Believe me, guys, yes, it is. I remember even still, if I'm doing it, how much I cry, I know it. Okay, often it brings up emotions from the deep. The fact is, we may have been very unkind to ourselves. So when we start to love ourselves again, we become aware of the unloving attitudes we have been carrying for a long time, and that causes a certain amount of grief. I'll give you one more very much relatable example. The ones who are generally elder in the family. Since our childhood, we are, we are conditioned or we are taught, बड़े होना आप adjust कर लोगे, कोई बात नहीं, कुछ नहीं होता, आप बड़े हो ना, ये दे दो, कुछ नहीं होता, आप बड़े हो, ये समझ जाओ, कुछ नहीं होता. So what happens? 10 out of 10 times, या किसी के साथ 10 out of 8 times is also only this thing is happening. And I'm not saying that somebody is doing wrong to us. No, it's just that being human, we don't realize this thing that 10 out of 10 भी या 10 out of 8 times भी अगर किसी के साथ ये चीज repeat हो रही है, तो somewhere or the other, this is harmful for us. This is not good for us. Okay, to be in this whole thing of, wherein ki you are not being taken care, your emotions are not being taken care. So yeah, when you will be doing this thing, you will come across situations wherein you will feel you will feel sorry for your inner child. Shit, I behaved like this with my own inner thing, and when it is coming out, let it be, let it go all out.
So this is a sort of like shield type that will help us protect ourselves, because we cannot change the world, or cannot change the people, or we may try to help them, but if they're not ready to change, at least we can protect us with this affirmation. That is also one of the thing I think you're trying to say in this, right?
See, this is a part of it, sweetheart. But apart from that, what this is going to do is, like, see, for example, Pallavi mentioned one thing, Abhi, that we are conditioned like that. कि अगर हमने अपने लिए time ले लिया, this means we became selfish, right? अगर let's say we, पर मैं एक example दे रही हूँ, ठीक है? अगर आपकी शादी हो गई है, and your husband also goes to work, you also goes to work, your in-laws are also staying with you, what generally we are expected, ki the girl is going to cook breakfast also, she's going to make lunch also, then she's going to pack everything, she's going to give the husband also, she's going to carry that with herself also, and then she's going to go. And if she's not doing it, she's being selfish. Or if she asks the husband to do something, she's selfish. I'm just sharing one instance from my clientele base, what they experienced. Okay, so I'm just giving you the conditioning part. I'm not pinpointing. बहुत ऐसे भी घर हैं जहाँ पे they are very supportive for the daughter-in-laws, but I'm just giving you a very common example कि ऐसे भी होता है वहाँ पे. तो ये selfish होना नहीं होता है. So क्या होता है, gradually ये सारी चीजें ना हम accept करने लगते हैं just to make peace with it. And somewhere if we are just trying to make peace with it like, अगर हम इसको आगे बढ़ के बोलते, no यार, this is something which is wrong happening with us, लड़ाई होती है, घर में tension होता है, so इसको बचाने के लिए भी what we try and conceal these things by saying accept it. तो वो grief बनता चला जाता है, और कहीं ना कहीं वो फिर gradually अलग form में दिखने लगता है. So with this, what is going to happen with this process? You are going to meet your inner self, meet your inner child, and tell them कि मुझे पता है ये सारी चीजें हुई हैं, and now I am there with you. I am now understanding you. So let's love you, because you are going to love yourself. और जब तुम खुद से प्यार करोगी ना, you will see a shift in you beautifully, because दुनिया को नहीं बदल सकते. Okay, all right, you will gradually see once you start doing the exercises regularly. Okay, I have encouraged you to practice your mirror work first thing in the morning. Sometimes that's the hardest time of the day. I think I have read this thing. No, I have not. Okay, I have encouraged you to practice your mirror work first thing in the morning. Sometimes that's the hardest time of the day to do it, because we feel that we don't look our best in the morning, but that is just a judgment. And what we are doing in mirror work is looking into the mirror without judgment, so we can see who we really are. Okay, so for this thing in specific, I want to mention one thing. You know what? It's not about looking presentable or something. I promised myself one thing, that Ankita, जिस दिन भी तुम mirror work sessions लेना start करोगी, okay, you will go out right there without any filter first, without any concealer second, and just the natural way, जैसे तुम घर पे बैठे होते हो काम करने. Because when I am going to like share something wherein I'm saying that embrace exactly what you are, so even I need to go just right there like that. My hair is just like that, kuch kangi nahi kiya hua hai, there is nothing, literally nothing. Okay, so I want to encourage this thing in all of us, like even अगर हम अपने आप को कहीं पे भी देखते, we see like how we feel complex, so many filters are there, and then जब उनको देखो, we all feel, oh my god, they are all are so pretty. I am not pretty, they all are pretty, only I am the odd one who is not pretty, right? This is, many of us must have felt at some other given point of time. Please come up front and share it. अगर ऐसा नहीं है, it's just me who has felt it, because मेरे को तो बहुत बारी लगता था कि मैं ही जो हूँ, I am not the beautiful one, and और बाकी सारे बहुत सुंदर है अगल बगल. I used to feel this thing. But with this thing again, what I felt was, no, I'm just beautiful the way I am, and I love myself for that. I love myself for that. So yes, I will again say that this whole mirror work is going to break your judgment. Do not judge yourself. Okay, love what you have, and then you will start seeing the result. Okay, anybody wants to add in something to this? Nope. I can go further?
Yes,
All
please.
right. So now we are going forward with the journaling exercise. The power is within you. All right. It's us who can change everything, and we are the source. We are the source of the power. It's in us. Life is very simple. What we give out, we get back. In your journal, write down your responses to the following questions. I will be sharing this thing once the session is done on the group, so that you can have the questions. I will just read it out. What do you want that you are not getting? Okay. And I just want to add on one thing, guys. Once you're doing your journaling, just don't read the question and start doing it. Read the question, ponder on that. Take few comfortable, deep breath on that question, and then pick up the pen and start. It will make a difference. It will make a difference. Because when I did it for the first time, I used to be like, okay, fine, question is answer karna hai, and I used to just write it out. But there is this friend of mine, she shared this thing with me. She shared this tip with me, and I applied it, and I felt a difference. So I'm just like sharing it, what I experienced. Okay. When you were growing up, what were the rules about deserving? Did you always have to earn in order to deserve? Were things taken away from you when you did something wrong? Well, like with me, I have experienced this thing that no, I have no complaints at all. I love my parents to bits and pieces. But yes, I always heard this thing that, all right, you want this thing? Okay, fine. If you are going to do this thing, then you are going to get this. And I used to be like all in, concentrated कि भाई ये कर लूंगी मैं तो मेरे को ये instrument box मिल जाएगा. I remember playing video games, so I used to be all crazy about the video game cassettes. So I used to be like, अच्छा, this time मेरे को वो Contra का वो series मिलेगा if I will do this thing. So yeah, I have experienced this thing, and now further, I don't want to apply this thing on anybody. Not at all.
Yeah, people used to use this thing to bribe actually, and I think it's a wrong practice because
Yeah.
we are building a wrong habit.
Yes.
Hmm.
Because gradually you start to feel that, oh, if you could not achieve this thing, this means you're not deserving. Then you try and be perfect. Or perfect koi nahi hota yaar. We all have flaws. Do you
Yeah.
feel that you deserve to live, to have joy? If not, why not? So these are the few questions, like journaling prompts basically for the day 2 that we have to do. Now, your heart thought of the day 2, I am deserving. Sometimes we refuse to put an effort into creating a good life for ourselves because we believe that we don't deserve it. Yes, I am somebody, I don't know about anybody else, but I will put my own example. I always used to say this thing. I think यही है जो मैं deserve करती हूँ. That's why यही है जो मुझे मिला है. It used to be my favorite statement. किसी और के साथ ऐसा हुआ है यहाँ पे? I'm the only one.
No, it has happened with me several times. A tagline I used to give it to me.
हाँ, मेरे साथ ऐसे ही होना था. यही deserve ही करती हूँ. Okay, all right. So,
काम ही ऐसा करती हूँ जो ऐसे ही मिल रहा है मतलब क्योंकि
हाँ,
मैं
बस
जब
बस
तक
बस. या
consider
और
तो
अगर
ऐसे ही
कुछ
मिलेगा।
और reform करना है तो उसको कर्मा पे ले आओ.
Yeah.
You getting it? Karma pe. So yeah, this is how I used to tell myself. I have done that. The belief that we don't deserve it may come from our early childhood experiences. We might be buying into someone else's concept or opinion that has nothing to do with our own reality. Yes, very true. Very, very true. From here, the conditioning comes. You will come across people जिनको बहुत ज्यादा प्यार चाहिए होता है. You will come across people. Like I'm again sharing somebody's situation that there was this female in my client list, and all she wanted was love. She didn't wanted anything else. She had good money, she had a good background, she had a sound family, she had everything. But whenever she stepped out of her own family zone, and all she looked out was just merely love, attention of a partner, not attention of a friend, but attention of a partner. And when things were dig down, it came out that, it's just because of her childhood experience. She was because of whatever situation, but she was not given that kind of love and pampering from her parents. So yeah, it comes from your childhood. Yes, it does. All right, deserving has nothing to do with being good. It is our unwillingness to receive the good in life that gets in the way. Allow yourself to accept the good, whether you think you deserve it or not. Okay, so now there's a quick small meditation. Let's do that, guys. Just this small meditation. Can we do that? Yeah? All
Yes,
right.
please.
Close your eyes. Take few comfortable deep breaths. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. See yourself standing in a very safe place. Release your burdens and pain and fear. Release old negative patterns and addictions. See them falling away from you. Then see yourself standing in your safe place with your arms wide open, saying, I'm open and receptive. And when you open your arm, guys, just do it to the maximum with the whole zeal that, yes, universe, I'm open and receptive. Willing to declare for yourself what you want, not what you don't want. See yourself whole and healthy and at peace. See yourself filled with love. And in this space, feel your connection with other people in the world. Let the love in you go from heart to heart. And as your love goes out, know that it comes back to you multiplied, multiplied. Send comforting thoughts to everyone. And know that these comforting thoughts are returning back to you. On this planet, we can be in a circle of hate, or we can be in a circle of love and healing. I choose to be in a circle of love. I realize that we all want the same thing, to be peaceful and safe, and to express ourselves creatively in ways that are fulfilling. Now see the world becoming an incredible circle of love. And so it is. Now you can rub your hand and cup your eyes, cup your face, and can open your eyes. Thank you so much. Now I'm going to send you the link for everything, and I'm going to send you the recorded meditation also. So whenever you guys feel like for the day 2, you have to do it. I'm going to share everything on the group. Okay. All right. Happy Diwali once again. And yeah, thank you for joining. Thank you so much.
Thank you and happy Diwali to
Happy Diwali,
everyone.
guys.
Thank you. Bye.